So here's a diagram of the mall. This is the fork in the road we initially took when we went down that way. We're going to go down this way. There's not as much stuff down here, but I want you to be able to take a look at it. As with so many other places in Las Vegas, it is a very confusing place for newcomers. I think they want people to get lost. Because I guess if you get lost, you'll have to stand by something. Here's another food and drink option if you want. 3 to 6 p.m., $20, all you can drink Wells and Draft. That sounds like a healthy choice. Aldo apparently sells shoes. Big money in shoes and socks. But you do need to have comfortable shoes and socks when you're here in Las Vegas. And this is the Ocean One Bar and Grill, where they have a number of pretty good food specials. Now, I hear the food is average, but it's a good price. So that's always nice. Now, there's a show here, I guess. I don't think we're going to be able to see it, because it's quite a leap to the next show, but it's a sort of faux rainstorm. So it is a holdover from the time that this was initially called the Desert Passage Shops. And so you were supposed to imagine that this was a downpour, much welcomed in the desert. Panda Express, again, not the classiest shopping center in town, but maybe, just maybe, that's a good thing. A lot of these kiosks, I have no idea how they make money. This is Sin City Brewing Company. I'll have to look that up. Apparently they make their own beers, and you can try one here. Might be good. And you can get a 3D printed figurine of yourself. And we mentioned that eventually you would have reached the Hilton Grand Vacations Alara. And there's the entrance. So we've pretty much come full circle. We've shown you the entirety of the Miracle Mile shops. And another Starbucks. So thanks for watching. As always, I ask you to please like this video and subscribe to the channel.